great honor to introduce our country president from Bangladesh Research Council, Abu Sayyid Hafsa, the man who is supporting Eudoxia from 2018 onward, always being the part of INFACE. Whenever we are having the INFACE, it's like that we are connected emotionally. We have, I think that the last physical conference in Guwahati University, and Sir was presenting with the team and actively participated. I would like to share here that whenever it is physical, day and night, we are meeting each other, and that was sharing of knowledge. And he is also a wonderful presenter and a great academician. So let us welcome here our Abu Said Haq, sir, the country president of Bangladesh Research Council, with the big hands from outside in this platform. Over to you, sir, for your work.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, actually, to begin my welcome speech, I must begin with my heartfelt gratitude to Eudoxia Research Center. My journey with Eudoxia began back into 2020. That was the physical conference actually we attended together, and it was amazing. This very second, that was the second conference, physical conference. We are attending today. It's the 4th international conference of INFEST 2020. So it is an excellent platform to be connected with intellectual people worldwide. I'm welcoming all of you, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening around the world. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for years now, as well those of you who are new to Eudoxia Research Center, and actually also the Eudoxia Research University. Actually, this is a global platform where our ultimate goal is to support research scholars, providing them with a stand to explore their expertise. That is, and to create a research-oriented society all over the world, bringing them under the same roof. Eudoxia has become that umbrella, that roof. It has a special focus on capacity building. We try to offer people scopes and opportunities to build up a solid body of well-nourished, nurtured specialists in different fields who can pass on their expertise to future generation. And a glance through the list of presentations planned for the next 3 days reveals an amazing diversity of thoughts and ideas. Conferences such as these provide a valuable opportunity for research scientists, scholars, and decision makers to share experiences. I'm grateful to the many experts who have come to share their knowledge. I'm also welcome all the participants who have joined us. I'm sure you will have fruitful and rewarding exchanges in the next couple of days. I wish you every success with this important conference, and I look forward to learning about the outcome. It is high time that such an event took place to highlight the remarkable contribution in so many areas of our lives. I sincerely hope you will enjoy today and the next 2 days of discussion and presentation. Thank you for your participation. I'm welcoming you all again.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. And as I have already shared, our Abu Said, sir, is one of the motivators. Whenever he is sharing his word, he will encourage you. And we have seen in his word, that is, we feel like that emotionally, how much we are connected. And I would like to appreciate Abu Said Haq for his continuous support to Eudoxia Research Center and Eudoxia Research University. We are appreciating and we are congratulating also. Please give the big hand to Abu Said Haq, the country president from Bangladesh Research Council of Eudoxia. Thank you. Thank you very much.
It is an honor for me to be the part of Eudoxia Research Center and to be the part of this biggest international conference, INFEST 2022. I want to remind, I was the participant that physically I attended the 2020, now it's 2022. And with the hope that we will meet again physically, and I'm welcoming you again. Thank you very much for giving me the chance to share my views and opinion. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. And as Abu Said says here, yes, and I think that in case 2020 was the last physical conference. Then after that, we have been that's a COVID-19 pandemic, and hope that, as the sir said, for very soon, from the next year, we will be able to conduct our physical conferences, international physical conferences, and we will have the participants from the different countries. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
I'm eagerly waiting to meet you all physically.
Yes, sir. We are all waiting for that moment.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best of luck.
Thank you.